let it get in the weeds.
No.
Huh? All right, let's get her in the water. All right, come on, Doodle. Stay down here. What's up, dude? Don't run into me. And don't come over here in the shallow, baby. What'd I tell you about that? You don't want to suck up that seaweed. Don't let me get in your way here. Uh-oh, we are not moving. That's weird. Why aren't we moving? That's weird. No. We got problems. Let's go check. You can keep running your boat. What I think of is the collet's loose. Alright guys, I got the flexed shaft out. This is the end of it. This is where the failure occurred. So you tell me, is this operator error or is this a faulty product? Look at how twisted this piece is. I don't know. Hope it's focusing for you. Look at this piece. It's even cut there. I don't know. I mean, I don't think this is something I did. The boat should be able to handle the power, and that doesn't look like it can, or at least the flex shaft can't. But yeah, you can even see it's bent. So that's why it wasn't moving in the water. It was spinning the shaft, but the propeller wasn't moving. So we have to order a new one of these. Haven't even played with it yet. I took it on a brief 10-minute run in the rain yesterday. Let me know in the comments what you think the problem is. If it was user error, did I do it? Was it faulty flex shaft on Proboat's part? Did I just get a lemon? I don't know. I didn't get caught up in anything that I know of. So I've only run it for 10 minutes, and you guys have seen all 10 minutes of it. Anyways, let me know in the comments below what you think the problem is, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.